Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PayPal checkout on Shopify step by step clearly. To activate PayPal checkout on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the admin dashboard, navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, click on payments to access the payment providers. Under the payment providers section, look for the PayPal area. Click on that activate button next to PayPal checkouts. If prompted, log into your PayPal account using your PayPal credentials. Follow the instructions to connect your PayPal account to your Shopify store. Once your account is connected, you will see a confirmation message indicating that PayPal has been activated. Next, review your payment settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can customize settings such as payment authorization and preferences according to your business needs. After confirming your settings, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. To test your PayPal checkout, visit your Shopify store as a customer. Add a product to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Select PayPal as your payment method to ensure the integration is functioning properly. Finally, complete a test transaction to verify that you receive payment notifications in your PayPal account. Your PayPal checkout is now activated and ready for customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.